Hi, my name is Tom Hancock and I'm the training manager for RidgeGear. In this short clip I'm going to give you some information on how to correctly inspect and fit a safety harness. It is recommended that the user inspects their harness or lanyard in a safe place before every use. Users must ensure that the harness is the correct size, has sufficient adjustment and acceptable comfort. Lanyards should be the correct type and length and have suitable connectors. When you inspect your harness, you are checking to see if it's got its own serial number. The serial number can be found on the back of the harness. If you can't locate a serial number, then the harness must be quarantined and further inspection is required. You may have to retire the harness after. When you come to inspect any webbing, you are looking for any cuts, any abrasion, any heat damage, any chemical damage, or any severely discoloured patches. You must remember not to write on your harness using any marker pens. When you come to inspect the stitching, you are checking for any stitching that is of a contrasted colour to the harness. You're looking for any stitching that is broken, loose, worn or abraded. Also, you're checking for any severely discoloured stitching. When inspecting the attachment points, you are checking for any cracks, any corrosion, any distortion or any irregular wear. You're also making sure that any buckles operate correctly. Any plastic fittings you need to make sure that are in good condition and that there's no cracks. When you come to inspect your energy absorbing lanyard, again you are checking for its own unique serial number. The serial number can be found on the shock pack. You're also checking that the rope is in good condition. You're also checking that the metal items are free from damage and free from any corrosion or any cracks, and that they operate correctly, and that your shock absorbing pack has not been deployed. Step 1. Hold your harness up by the rear attachment points. Remove any twists and ensure that the leg straps hang free. Step 2. Pass your arms through the shoulder straps and continue to make sure that there is no twists in the webbing. Step 3. Connect your chest and waist buckle. You must remember to double check that all connectors fasten correctly. Step 4. On this particular harness you need to adjust the side straps. The rear attachment point must sit between your shoulder blades, and the harness must be a tight but comfortable fit. Step 5. Pull your harness down at the back so that the subpelvic strap sits towards the top of your legs. Connect leg buckles in turn and adjust to a snug fit. Step 6. Make sure that the webbing is adjusted to suit your body size. Leaving the harness loose around the legs and chest may feel more comfortable, but in the event of a fall, the sudden jolt that occurs when the slack is taken up can cause serious damage to the body, especially in the groin area and internal organs.